Look at this vista. This is the Mogollon Rim. So we were just down there in Payson, and it was like 75 degrees. Now it's 65 degrees. What do you think, bud?
Cool. Don't flip down there.
Wow, look at this. Is just a complete drop off, isn't it? Wow. What do you think, buddy?
That's just kind of freaky.
It's kind of freaky. Look, so this Owen is the Mogollon Rim.
Oh.
All right, we're getting back in the car, going fishing. All right, buddy, did we make it to the campground?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna set up the tent?
Over there.
All right, you gonna show me?
Okay.
All right, so we used a rake, clean this all out. We're gonna put our tent up right here. Here, buddy. You wanna grab the end of that and pull it over. All right, for lunch I picked up some of these beef sausage thingamajigs that are smoked, pre-cooked, and I got some sourdough bread, and we're gonna have some apples, and I got some cheese to go with this. I'm just toasting the bread and warming up the meat so that we can eat something that's warm. So we've had this Coleman stove for a while. We were using this 60-year-old Coleman stove, the old green ones, for a long time, but this one's pretty nice. It's a little more regulated. It just takes propane, and we've had it for about a year now, maybe 2 years, and works great. 2 burners, you can run 1 or 2. Easy light seems to work. Pretty bright out, so you can't even see the flame, but that thing is going. I've got it on high, and it's got these nice little wind guards that kind of pop up. So if you're looking for a Coleman stove, these things are not cheap, so, or not too expensive. I think it was 150 bucks, but you know, all things considered, being made of metal, it should last 50 years. Let's see, still a little chilly. All right, that actually ended up pretty good. The bread's crispy on one side. Cooking lunch here, out in the woods by the truck. We've got our fishing gear ready. We're gonna go fish after this, so looking forward to that. And my hair is kind of messed up today. There we go, it's better in the shade. So these yellow bins, you can get them at Costco, Target, Walmart. My recommendation is to get like 4 or 5 of them. You can put all your camping gear in these things. Keep all the kitchen stuff in one, keep the sleeping gear in another, keep your tent and mats in another. That way you can kind of stay organized. And that way when you put it back in your garage, it's all organized. All right, we're hiking down to the lake. Bear Canyon Lake, it's called. We got 4 fishing poles. Hey, it is pretty steep up here, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what the people were talking about. Like, we could hike.
You have to admit, if this was going through the woods with scraggly though, with fishing poles, it'd be pretty tricky.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh no. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, I can do it really extreme.
Like, we can't even see the lake yet.
Okay. Well, I think coming up we need to. Do we go down here or there?
I think just keep going straight.
Okay.
All right. We just came out of the woods and we found the lake. That's a pretty lake. This is like the most scenic lake I think I've ever seen in Arizona. All right, I got 4 lines out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Haven't caught anything yet, but we're feeling optimistic.
Bad shot.
All right, update. It's been about a half hour. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines out. We've got fresh power bait on them. Apparently nobody's been catching anything around here either. We're just watching our bobbers. But I mean, beats being at the desk all day, right? For those of you wondering, there's no Verizon signal out here. Nothing. One guy drove all the way back to the rim to get cell signal. I'm okay with that. It's the weekend. Wasn't planning on using it anyways. All right, we've got a bite. Action orientated. Owen's reeling it in. Oh, you caught a fish? I see it. Not too fast, buddy. Come closer, keep reeling it in. There we go. Yeah. There we go, bud. Come here. Hold that fish you caught.
There you go.
Grab him. I think it's just a trout.
No.
Keep him. All right. All right. All right. Smile. All right. What kind of fish you caught, buddy?
A trout.
Hold him out for me. Wow. Nice. Oh, did he get off? Is he still on? So we had a bite. I saw it moving. Is there a fish on the end? Nope. Did they eat the bait?
The bait just came
Yeah,
off at that
the
point.
bait's gone. It's right there. Man, I saw it. It went under. Did you see it?
Yeah, that must have been a good fishing spot.
All right, so we got one fish, and we had a bite on another. Day's not over.
So make sure to get on that one. It's the first one.
All right, so Owen's Reeling in number 3. We thought we caught something, but I see the bait on there, so go ahead and cast that one back out, buddy. Something must have nibbled on it, though. What are you using, Angel? Yeah, ditto. Nice cast, buddy. How's it going? All right. Owen's got another one. Approach the shore as you pull it in. All right. I see it here, buddy. Did he get off? Oh, hang. Is he off? Nope, he's on.
Okay. Come on.
Hey, gentle, don't yank it. There we go.
Gotcha.
All right.
He's a big one.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, lift him up and I'll get a picture of you.
The hook's out of good.
Okay.
I'll get this.
All right, hold him out in front of you.
Come on. Keep happening.
Okay, hold him tight. You got to grip a little bit. There you go. Hold him out. Hold him in front of me. Okay. Can you grab him?
This is slippery.
Here, grab him right here.
It's like poop.
It's like poop coming out? Okay, that's the quote. Okay, wow, he is slippery. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. There you go.
Hold him up.
Hold him like that. Woo, good job. Okay, that's a big one. All right, should we eat him for dinner?
Yes.
All right. Oh, wow. Okay, did the hook already come out? All right, so we caught a second fish, and we caught it right here. Quarter, third of the way across the lake. People are catching fish over there, too. All right, folks, we've caught another fish. It's an exciting day here at Bear Canyon Lake. Owen's reeling this one in. Owen, how's it going today? Are you a professional fisherman now?
No?
Are you going to teach the kids how to fish? I see him down there. Do you see him?
No?
He's down there. Maybe just kind of pull that in. There you go. There he is. Right. See him? That's a good sized one, buddy. Woo, look at him. Oh yeah, just reel him in nice and steady. Good job. Woo! Did he get off? Oh, there he goes. Ah, man.
You got away?
He got away. So we got one got away. Let's just say it was a catch and release, right?
Yeah.
It was a catch and release. He was too small for us. We got a big appetite, so we want to get a big one. Angel's back there just like, what? These guys are crazy. Are you gonna cry over spilled fish?
No.
All right, so if we catch one with a hook in its mouth already, that's it.
This one's huge.
All right, we catch another fish maybe. Oh yeah, there's one. Oh yeah, all right. Slowly bring him in, don't raise him in the air.
He's waving.
All right, this is catch number 4 of the day. Third one we've kept. Hey there, fellow.
Hello.
Hey there. All right, let's string him up and put him in the water, and then we'll cast a new one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. All right, so we moved to a new spot, and we got this Vienna sausage. Thought it'd be really good, but it just comes apart. Doesn't stick on the hook.
On a sausage.
All right, Owen's gonna throw that all in the water because it doesn't make good bait. I got a little bit on me, Owen.
Okay, let's go get the next.
I'm expecting to see a ton of fish right here, so let's get some lines in the water, and maybe they'll bite some of our power bait.
And there's tadpoles.
Of course, the tadpoles love it. They're probably like, "Oh, a taste of Vienna."
Yeah, the Vienna.
All right, we got another hour of sunlight, but we gotta hike up that hill. 3 fish so far. We're gonna try to catch one more from this area we moved. Now we're gonna try to.
We're in Payson. We're in Asia.
Actually, north of Payson.
We're in Australia. We're in Australia.
Okay. So, anyways, see if we can catch one more. All right, Owen's got the line wrapped around this rock. How are we gonna get that out, buddy? Here, let me try. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this in this sun, but here is Bear Canyon Lake, and we are this little dot right here. So that spot right here is this whole kind of inlet that we've been fishing in. So that means that the lake is much bigger than this little area that you're seeing right here. Pretty cool. All right, so as we were literally packing up to head home or back to the campsite, Owen seems to have caught another fish. He's reeling it in.
He's called a boo-boo.
It's like, is it probably like a little tiny goldfish?
Yeah, it's like this fake.
Let's see what we got. Oh, you got another trout. It's a good one. All right, you want to bring her back in? Don't lift her out of the water. All right. Wow, look at that. Here, come over here.
Is that a good size?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah. Sorry, little buster. He's slippery. You want to hold him?
Sure. I'll get him.
Yeah, you get him instead of me getting them and giving them to you.
Okay.
All right. How do you feel, buddy?
Good. We caught 4 fish, and I finally hooray! Hooray!
Hooray! We got him a little muddy. Oh man. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna go home and cook these guys. So that's it from the lake.
Ah! I just dropped him.
Okay. What do you say? Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to fish and like subscribe.
All right. Catch of the day. 4 fish. What do you think, buddy?
Good. This one's the longest.
Yeah. All right. 4 beautiful fish. We're gonna make a meal out of you, and that meal's starting right now.
Maybe I'll do a different log.
Okay.
No, he's not.
All right. Let's see him, buddy.
Okay, well,
Hey there. Hey,
if
Fred.
you get poisoned, don't blame us.
Yeah.
If-
You die, Owen.
Yeah.
Don't blame us.
Hopefully
Don't
you
blame it
won't,
on me.
but
I
if you
warned you.
do, don't blame us.
Only desert horny toads do, because there's a lot more predators like snakes.
Who says this isn't a desert horny toad? Because we're in a desert.
Yeah. I need too much damage.
All right. We're eating our sandwiches, and Owen noticed the bobber went underwater. Looks pretty good, buddy. Oh, it's our first catch of the day. Oh yeah. That's a trout.
Oh, it's a nice trout.
Remember, don't lift them in the air because that can break off sometimes. Just kind of pull them in. Nice.
Little baby.
Nice, buddy. Good job. You want to hold them up? I'll take your picture.
Oh, this is gonna be easy.
That's a small one. Hang on, smile, cheese.
Whoa, get the nails too close.
Okay. All right, so we've caught another fish here. You can see it moving around. Oh, there it goes. Come here, buddy. I need help reeling this one in. Here you go.
Oh. Slow.
That's the one on the left. All right, nice and slow. Remember, don't push them out of the water. Just kind of bring them in.
Try to keep my fishing pole up.
Yep. You can lower your pole. Here, don't yank it. Nice and slow. All right, go grab him. Oh, that's a good size one, buddy. Oh yeah. Let me see your hat. Okay. Whoops.
Go out there. Hey, don't fall on your head, dude. Okay.
All right.
Hear that again.
Hold him out. Let's see what you got. Nice. Okay, big smile. Okay, cool. All right. Nice and slow. All right, Owen's caught another fish.
Oh, this is a nice one.
That's a big one. Oh yeah. There we go. You want to come?
Fish today.
You want to come hold him?
Okay.
Wow, look at that one, buddy. That's a good one indeed. Here, hold him up. Hold him out. Oh yeah. Nice.
He's gonna high five you.
Oh no.
Whoa.
All right. Here, let's take this.
You have a fish later.
All right. Owen says he got another fish. You catching this one?
He's a doozy.
A doozy?
Yeah, look over there. You can see him.
Oh yeah, I see him. It looks like a good size one. He's fighting.
Are you fighting? I don't like fighting. I like doing jiu-jitsu fighting.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's a good size one, buddy. Okay, nice and gentle.
Okay. Come in.
All right. Here we go.
Come on, come on. Whoa. Oh, he is a nice one.
Whoa, buddy.
What? He's not.
You gotta hold on tight.
He's not slipping off.
Okay, here. You hold him up.
I got him.
Get him, get him. All right. Oh my goodness. He's a slippery guy. That's the biggest one we've caught so far, buddy. Okay, here, let me get the clippers. All right. All right, Owen is showing us how it's done.
Oh, no, really. The fish are showing us how it's done.
All right, nice and slow. Halfway out to the lake. All right, bud, you pulling this one in?
Yep.
Wow, that's another winner.
Hey.
All right, smile. All right, that's all. All right, here.
He's like,
Okay, here, hold him up. All right, big smiles. Good job. All right. All right, we had another bite, but I guess it got away. All right, I'm gonna look for the knife. All right, day 2 of fishing. We have officially caught 2 fish. How many fish did we catch, buddy?
2 fish.
We caught 2 fish. So we're about an hour in, I think, and we're using power bait again with tiny little 3-pronged hooks. And fish are jumping, so we're hoping to catch a couple more. And combining that with the 4 we have from last night, we're gonna do a little fish fry tonight. All right, got another fish here. All right.
Bad boy.
Don't tell me he's a bad boy. Just pick him out. All right. Hold him up. Let's see him. Oh. Okay. All right. Hold him up. Let's see. Hold him up a little bit higher. This lake is really pretty. It's a little bit of a hike, but it's worth it. All right, we're back from the lake. How many fish did we catch, buddy?
6.
We caught 6 fish.
Yes.
Wow, pretty good for us. Now we're having Hostess cupcakes. How's it taste, Owen?
Good. I'm eating off the top.
Oh, all right. And we're gonna fry some fish. We have 6 from today and 4. Did we get 4 yesterday?
4 yesterday.
One that got away yesterday, so we technically caught 11 fish, and we got a little bit of sun too. So I don't know. Well, the fishing was a great success. We got 6 fish today. Put them on ice. We'll cook them at home. All right, folks, it's getting dark out. We just had dinner, and I think we're getting ready to go to bed. See you tomorrow. All right, I've got a 30-year-old plastic camping coffee cup, but that's all that counts is it has coffee. All right, I got a breakfast burrito with sriracha, mayo, pepperoncinis, ham. All right, folks, it's day 3 of our adventure. We're going home today, though. Are we going home today, buddy?
Yeah.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going camping again in a few weeks, so don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
I was working on the railroad all the livelong day. Owen's over here cutting down a tree. It's a dead tree. Nice, buddy. Climbing up that branch, that tree.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, buddy.
Nice little spot. Yeah.
You want me to get your picture up there?
Sure.
Okay. All right, smile. Cheese. Cool.
Should I do one with the hat off?
Sure, you can. Cheese. There you go.
Okay.
Now I can see your face.
Okay. Now I just have to get off.
There's a nice dead branch. Do they need more firewood for the fire?
I don't know. Hey, get some more firewood.
All right, it's Chris here and Owen from Phoenix with Kids, and we're going to show you the little we know about Woods Canyon Lake. Look at that beautiful view.
Okay, where's the apple? Oh, right.
All right, we're just waiting for these fish to show up.
Hey, Daddy, can you watch my bobber?
Yeah, where's your bobber? Oh, here, he's got a bobber here, and I got one over there. What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just going to go get some. So if you see it, just get that fish.
Okay.
And drop yours over there.
Okay. These rocks are really pretty.
I was standing on the rock.
Yeah?
See it? Also,
All right, Owen, if you're fishing here, what should you avoid doing?
falling in.
Falling in? What else?
Well, look up there.
Oh yeah, there's some bobbers up there. It's like Christmas ornaments. There's some more string up here too. You eating a cupcake, Owen?
Yes.
Pretty good.
And stomping weasels. Yep.
Oh, you're stomping weasels? Don't be stomping weasels.
They're good. And bad.
All right, what we got? We got 2 bobbers out, 1 and 2. How many fish have we caught today, Owen?
0.
0.
But we caught 10 yesterday.
Well, 10 between Friday and Saturday.
They're doing this.